Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious Barbie smoothie. And what we're gonna do is try to get two tones of the pink to get that pink hue. Here are a list of ingredients for our Barbie smoothie, which is gonna have two-tone pink hues. So we're gonna go with the lighter pink. So that's where we have our strawberries and our yogurt to get the lighter pink. And then we're going to do watermelon with raspberries and a little coconut water to give us a little bit of a darker pink hue. The vitamin content in our Barbie smoothie is strawberries, vitamin C, K, and magnesium, Greek yogurt, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc, protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc, collagen, C, biotin, zinc, and it contains some amino acid, almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium, maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc, watermelon, A, B5, C, and potassium, and raspberries, A, B6, calcium, potassium, riboflavin, thiamine, and zinc, and coconut water, B1, B2, B3, C, pantothenic acid, folic acid, biotin, potassium, and sodium. So we're going to start off with our strawberries. This is 2 cups of strawberries. Frozen is best, so this was frozen. And then we're going to add some of our Greek yogurt, Greek vanilla yogurt. Okay. Now, if you find it to be a little too thick for yourself, you can add a little bit of almond milk. I do have a 1/4 cup of almond milk going in here, or you can use whatever nut-free milk that you have, or you can use regular milk if you're not into nut milks. But I happen to have almond milk, so coconut milk would be great, and oat milk, or cashew milk, whatever milk, or just regular milk if that's what you use. Okay. Now, we do know that if you're a person that's watching your carbs or you don't like any sugar, then you could just leave it as that, because you know berries are not very sweet, especially when they're frozen. So there is a little bit of this, but when you add the Greek yogurt, there's some acidic to it. So with that said, I'm adding 2 cups here of the Greek yogurt, some acidic to it. Okay, so our yogurt's in. I am putting our raw protein powder in here. Okay, definitely gonna need some liquid in here, so that's why we're gonna put the almond milk, so we're not all chalked up. This is our collagen. Now, it's up to you whether you want to put collagen or not, but I like it because it helps with your joints, inflammation, but most of all for the beauty, your skin, your nails, and your hair. So, and you know Barbie always looks good. So if we're doing a Barbie smoothie, we definitely want to put some collagen in here. So here we're putting our collagen, and just take a scoop, put your hand over it, and that's it. Now, regarding what I was saying too with the yogurt, you want to turn around and I am going to put some maple syrup in mine, just 2 to 3 tablespoons. But if you're a person, like I said, who's watching your carbs, wants no sugar, the sugar from the natural fruit is enough for you, then that's fine as well. But I would definitely suggest putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Oh my God, this maple syrup is so fantastic. And we have a little bit of our almond milk here. So we're going to do the first part of our smoothie, and then we're going to do the second part, the frozen part to it. So we're going to put 1/4 cup of almond milk. Okay. And we're then gonna make our smoothie. Now, if it's a little too thick for you, like I said, you can add a little bit more milk to it. Okay, so we're now gonna start to blend our smoothie. So I put our watermelon and our frozen raspberries in here and a little bit of coconut water to try to get our, oops, hope I got this right, and our bullets here. So our smoothie is done, and now we're gonna get our second part going. So I have our raspberries, our watermelon in here, and a little coconut water. So here's our raspberry watermelon smoothie part. I told you when everything's all frozen and everything, it's so delicious and yummy. And then we have our more liquefied smoothie. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour our smoothie here, and we're gonna stop. And then we're gonna layer the process. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. Oh. Okay, we're gonna layer our process here. To kind of give it that nice, pretty hue. Now we're gonna pour some more in here. I know that kind of covers it up, but you can kind of see some through the side. And we're going to do some more layer. Kind of see the effect that I'm kind of going for here. I mean, you can make it more perfect if you like, but I'm just going to put a little bit more to top it off and a little bit more of that on the top of it. My straw. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of raspberry on the top. Get my raspberries. Look at our Barbie smoothie with the pink hue, light pink hue, which was our strawberry, and then the darker pink hue had our watermelon and raspberry and a little coconut water. So yum. So our Barbie smoothie's done. So I'm gonna taste some. Actually, I'm gonna taste this one. Oh my gosh. Please, you guys gotta try this Barbie smoothie. It is so delicious. Oh. And for this weather being so hot, you have the hydrating watermelon in here. And you have the not super sweet fruit of the berry, of the raspberry and the strawberry. The thickness here of the yogurt. Oh my gosh, so good. Listen, hopefully you have some frozen fruits at home, or if you have some fruits, all you have to do is put it in the freezer. Not sure, you probably have watermelon in hand, and you probably even have strawberries. Not sure about the raspberries. I mean, but you kind of need the raspberries to go with the watermelon with this. And if you don't have coconut water, you can maybe just put some regular water. It's just that coconut water is very refreshing. So I want to add it to have a little bit extra electrolytes and potassium. But if you don't, you can just add a little bit. So that way, when the fruit is frozen, it can still process through your blender. But you don't want to put too much because you want it to remain nice and thick, like almost how it was looking like sherbet-like. but this is so good. So here's our call to action. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and a big hug. And if you have not hit the like button already, please do so. And hit the subscribe button along with that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new videos for you. And I'm bringing you this refreshing Barbie smoothie that I created and made. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you try it or if you made another smoothie that you might want me to try. I'm willing to do so. And I will see you in my next video. And don't forget, health is wealth, and be good to yourself. Mwah.